We're doing installation of the GQ Tech Tour-Pak Mount on the Road Glide 3. And walk us through, where are we at on this process? How are you going to go about this?
Best way to go about it is to remove the rear wheels. You can fit the bracket in this way.
Come around.
Through here. But there is a 1/2 inch hex head bolt that has to be held here and then tightened from underneath. That's why you remove the rear wheel. So go ahead and pop these out. And that's all it is. Okay. That's just your backrest. And then put, I guess I ain't gonna get that on there. Let me get the other bracket. Here's your bracket. Okay, this is basically how you're gonna put it in, all right? The idea is to get this threaded stud in through this hole this way.
Gotcha.
And that way you can take this threaded piece, drop it down in there, screw it on, okay? And that'll help when you go to put this in, because it has to go a specific way. You have to, there is a right and left, but just keep in mind that the tubing has to go to the back. This arm has to be inboard so that this tubing clamp can be out, all right? And you just feed that in there. Once you get up in there, just give it a couple of threads to hold that bracket. And then you can take your other clamp and put it there we go. Okay. And you slide those down, bring these back up. Once you get these locked into place. Okay.
All right, so these are kind of like a decorative cap, but they're also supporting this a little bit, aren't they?
A little bit, yeah.
All right, so you put these on first, you slide them up, because these are going to kind of click into place below, right? Then we can pin them in, or you actually tighten them down, right?
Yeah, you take these little Allen, wherever this
right
one's
there,
at, right
gotcha.
there. Got one here, and you got one there.
Gotcha.
You just run those in to this, and this will secure it.
Okay.
And then you can take and put these down. These should slide over, and then you'll be able to lock those down. And
okay.
then we'll.
All right. So you're going to finish getting the rest of this set up, and then we can come back and look at this, the finished product after you set the tour pack on.
Yeah.
All right. We'll take a look.
Ask Mike.
This is going on YouTube. Oh. Is that the joke? That's pretty snug.